Immediately on my left is Claudia Berg, who is, as you've just heard, the General Counsel for the ICO. As well as heading up the ICO's legal service, she provides strategic legal advice to the Commissioner, the ICO's executive team and the Management Board. Claudia joined the ICO in April of last year, 21, from the CMA, the Competition and Markets Authority, where she was responsible for the legal oversight of their entire competition law enforcement portfolio, from the launch of investigations all the way through to decisions and subsequent litigation. Prior to the CMA, Claudia worked for a number of years at Linklaters in the competition team in London and is dual qualified in the UK and Germany. So, Claudia, looking forward to hearing your view, particularly with the regulator's hat on, but also particularly with your background coming from the CMA. So thank you very much for joining us. Then next to Claudia, we have Ian Corby. Nice to meet you. So Ian's been the Executive Director of the Age Verification Providers Association for the past 3 years, and prior to that was at the charity Gamble Aware after a spell running a research team in Parliament. His earlier career was as a management consultant with Deloitte, who Ian tells me kindly also sent him to California for an MBA. So well done them, thank you. Then next to Ian, we have Julian Dekkers. Now, Julian is legal advisor within the litigation chamber of the Belgian Data Protection Authority. After training with the European Commission's Cybersecurity and Privacy Unit, Julian worked as a privacy and data protection consultant at the Brussels office of EY for a number of years. And then in March of last year, he decided to switch to the regulator's side by joining the litigation chamber of the Belgian DPA, where he worked on the very recent IAB Europe case. And we're hoping, Julian, that you'll be able to bring us a little bit of insight from your experience on that within this broader topic. So thank you, very nice to have you. Then, we're nearly there. Then we have Lena. Now, many of you will have met Lena at previous conferences, but Lena Kuznimi is founder and legal advisor at the company Legal. She's a long-term technology and privacy lawyer from Finland, but also a visiting fellow in Maastricht University's Center on Privacy and Cybersecurity. She loves food, single malts, and champagne, which is the main reason why she's at this conference. Let's face it, it's true for all of us. And listens to both opera and Chicago blues. So Lena, looking forward to hearing from you. And then finally, at the far end, we have William Malcolm, who is Senior Director International for Privacy and Consumer Protection at Google UK. William leads Google's international privacy, legal and consumer protection function, managing a team across London, Hamburg, Paris, Dublin, and Singapore. And during his time at Google, William has worked on a number of European data protection cases and regulatory matters, and has represented Google with global policy makers. He's also helped Google product and compliance teams to formulate internal policies and compliance plans on a wide range of issues, including GDPR, right to be forgotten, AI and machine learning, cloud privacy, and international data transfer. So William, I'm sure, will bring a real insight from within a big tech company.